next up, Immaculate. Quad boxer number 32. It's probably going to be the last one unless somehow I find some Immaculate, because I tried all day today and no one has it. Somehow it's easier to find NT. I don't know. There's your numbers. I did it again. Number 1. UCCF. UCCF, they said you'd left me for some new, better looking person. Which I knew was a lie. What up, Benny? Yeah, I laughed at it too. I was like, no, what really happened? That can't be it.
Sam's not even the best looking person in this room.
Yeah. Oh, is Brad Pitt in here? All right. We start with 81 of 99, Ian Happ. UCCF. Felix Jorge Patch, 3 of 25, Joyzy number, Mr. Bingham. Benny, you got your cards? Awesome. I love when that works out. Ozzy Albies, 16 of 99. Matt.
Always a relief to hear.
Yeah. That should be how it goes every time, hopefully. 36 of 99, Dylan Peters, rookie debut. Shoeless Joe Lewis. Jake Cave. Alex Verdugo, rookie patch autograph, 42 of 49. Go Hawks. And Marcel Ozuna. Hopefully Jupes isn't having to see this. UCCF, Ozuna. Oh, your Cardinals. Lovely.
Oh, UCCF got the... Oh,
it's just the cereal, yeah. A dual auto booklet, maybe? Charlie Blackmon to 99 relic for the 66 spot. Matt. This will be the year we find out. League leaders Chris Sale, 5 of 10. Tiny patch. Go Hawks. If Verdugo doesn't do something this year, well, I guess he could have maybe another year. Ooh, what's this? Eddie Matthews, 1 of 1 Century Materials dual bat relic. I did it again. That's cool. NT, where the 1 of 1s flow like wine. Mitch Garver.
The 1 of 1s instinctively flock like the salmon Capistrano.
The beer flows like wine. Kirby Puckett, 65 of 99.
Sam, I'm talking about a little place called Aspen.
Yeah. I'll go somewhere warm. Victor Carantini, 47 of 99. Sharksitch. Oh, Sharksitch has been out for a little bit. He's back. Andrew Stevenson, Collegiate RPA, LSU, 16 of 25. Matt. That's cool. And Ahmed Rosario, rookie signatures, 92 of 99. The Hawks. The booklet, I think it's a dual auto. Oh, no. Debut material signature. And Duhar. That's good. 42 of 49. Go Hawks. What's up with Go Hawks getting a bunch of cards? When did that start happening? Do I have to post an HTA Chrome? Is that what you're asking? You're not going to like the price because I asked again for more cases because I'm down to my last couple. It's insane. Every time I try to get more, it goes up $300 a case. I'm not buying it anymore. It's stupid. I just get mad because I'm like, oh yeah, okay. $79.99 Buster Posey. Moops. Should have just bought 1,000 cases of it back in the beginning, I guess. Cameron Gallagher, 19 of 99. UCCF. Yeah, I am going to post a select, I think. 1 of 10, Alex Rodriguez. I did it again. Max Fried, dual jersey, 6 of 49. It's not going to be teams, though, Darth Maud, obviously. Mr. Bingham. That won't fill in time. I'm not like Jules filling Donner's breaks over here. My breaks take time to fill. 15 of 99, Andrew Stevenson. Shoeless Joe Louis. We need a big card out of Immaculate. Oh, another Andujar. Quad Relic Auto 33. Aaron Lee. No chance teams fill in time. I mean, I could post it for tonight, and if it fills, we do it. Otherwise, it's Basketball Saturday, I guess. But I'm not staying up for 4 hours waiting for people to pick teams to select. Not gonna do it. Oh, button right on top. It's the most high-numbered serial button I've ever seen. Look at this. 8 of 8. George Springer button autograph. I mean, sure, there's been ones numbered 8, but I don't know that we've gotten, you know, the first number.
Yeah.
JB. Actually, probably not. Yeah, I think it would be tough. They took forever to fill yesterday. I don't know why. Greatness, Mike Trout to 99. Go Hawks. Altuve, orangey relic. Mr. Bingham. Ken Griffey Jr. Century Materials, 48 of 99. Mr. Bingham again, same spot, I think. Gil McDougald. Mike, your 63 spot. Redemption for Ryan McMahon, no doubt. Yep, Ryan McMahon. Rookie Materials signatures. Every time. Oh, my old friend Kyle Farmer, former Dodger, star of last year's spring training breaks. Moops. Kyle Farmer. And Jordan Hicks, rookie patch auto to 49. He's good. JB. Jordan Hicks is the big... No, wait. Flaherty's the big flamethrower guy.
Hicks throws is like the hardest thrower in the league.
Oh, okay.
But he's a reliever.
Flaherty's the starter guy that's a big horse.
Really good, I think, yeah.
Oh, cut signatures. 10 of 25, the same. Gil McDougald. Rookie of the year, 1951.
Love that relic.
Flaherty's the new ace stud, yeah. UCCF.
Two big
Yeah,
pinstripes.
I know, the relic's awesome too. I can't believe there's 25 of those. It's fake though, because there's no way this ought to.
Yeah.
It's 2018. Gil McDougald probably died 30 years ago. No, it's fake. Totally fake. That's my impression of YouTube people. No one could buy something from the past and put it in a current card. Impossible. Blue box. For the Ryan McMahon. See, the question is, do I post a random select and a team select for tomorrow, but then like half the people will buy teams and half the random will fill, then we'll have 2 breaks that don't fill? Aaron Lee, 7th spot. Ryan McMahon. Tim. I think I saw that, actually.